Surprise effect: methane cools even as it heats. Methane is a potent greenhouse gas that contributes to the warming of the planet. However, it also has a surprising cooling effect that is not widely known. When methane is released into the atmosphere, it reacts with other gases and particles to form aerosols. These aerosols reflect sunlight back into space, which helps to cool the Earth's surface. Furthermore, methane can also increase cloud formation by increasing atmospheric water vapor. This can lead to more reflective clouds that reduce the amount of solar radiation absorbed by the Earth's surface, further contributing to its cooling effect. Scientists have estimated that this cooling effect could potentially offset about 20% of methane's warming impact. Despite its cooling effect, reducing methane emissions remains crucial in addressing climate change. Methane still accounts for around 16% of global greenhouse gas emissions and has a much stronger warming potential than carbon dioxide over a 20-year time frame. Therefore, efforts must be made to reduce both methane and carbon dioxide emissions simultaneously in order to effectively combat global warming. How does methane work to cool the Earth's atmosphere? Methane is known as one of the most potent greenhouse gases, contributing to global warming and climate change. However, recent studies show that methane has a surprising cooling effect on the Earth's atmosphere. Methane works to cool the atmosphere by reacting with hydroxyl radicals, O, in the air, which breaks down the methane molecules and forms water vapor and carbon dioxide. The reaction between methane and O neutralizes both compounds' warming effects, resulting in a net cooling effect. Moreover, when methane reacts with other gases in the atmosphere, it forms aerosols that can reflect sunlight back into space. This reflection contributes to further cooling of the Earth's surface temperatures. In addition to its surprise cooling effects, reducing methane emissions could also have significant benefits for mitigating climate change impacts. What are the implications of this discovery? The recent discovery that methane, a potent greenhouse gas, may have a cooling effect on the Earth's climate has significant implications for our understanding of global warming. This finding has challenged the long-held belief that methane is solely responsible for trapping heat in the atmosphere and contributing to rising temperatures. Instead, it suggests that there may be more complex mechanisms at play. The implications of this discovery are far-reaching and will require further investigation. For instance, if we can harness this cooling effect of methane, it could present an opportunity to mitigate the impacts of climate change. However, we must be cautious not to jump to conclusions too soon, as more research is needed to fully understand how these processes work. Overall, this discovery highlights the importance of continuing scientific inquiry into climate change and its underlying mechanisms. It underscores the need for policymakers alike to take action towards reducing carbon emissions and mitigating the impacts of global warming on our planet's ecosystems and human populations. Conclusion. In conclusion, the discovery of the surprise effect that methane cools even as it heats is a significant breakthrough in our understanding of climate change. This finding could have major implications for global warming projections and policymaking efforts. It may also lead to new technologies or strategies for mitigating the effects of greenhouse gas emissions.